Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you.
Many might have teased the next generation Cooper at the beginning of last month, but the cat is now pretty much out of the bag. Instagram user Wilkablock has published surprisingly revealing images of a prototype devoid of any camouflage. These seem to be real photos rather than a professional Photoshop job and depict the hot hatch version judging by the S. Speaking of which, the S is finished in green, and we're not seeing the traditional dual exhaust tips mounted in the middle. Corroborated with the lack of a traditional front grille, we have reasons to believe we're actually looking at the electric Cooper S. The front-end design is quite familiar with the big and round circles of the headlights, although the lower lights have been removed to give the bumper a simplified look. It appears there are still a few conventional controls mounted below the air vents, presumably providing quick access to the climate settings. Elsewhere, there seems to be quite a lot of camouflage noticeable on the door cards, and maybe the dashboard as well. We do get to see the seats and the armrest between them, along with the 3-spoke steering wheel and at least one stalk behind it. While this is the hardtop model, a convertible has already been confirmed for 2025. These spy shots show off the spicy S trim, but an even hotter John Cooper works will follow. It will be a while before the hatch will be officially revealed since it won't hit the market until 2023.